Hello beautiful people, it's Lexi G. Welcome back to my channel. So I got messages from a few people from last week's video asking to see the tutorial for the rope hanging shelf. There she is. So this project took much longer and was much harder than I thought it would be, but it was so worth it. I'm really happy with the outcome. So if you guys are interested in trying it on your own, please send me pictures. I would love to see if my tips were helpful or if they were the reason that your project failed. But I hope it doesn't. Okay, so what I've done so far, there is a stud running all the way across the ceiling there. Well, it's on the wall. So I marked 2 inches down from the ceiling, and that's where the nails are gonna go and the top of the rope will hang. And then I marked down with little pieces of tape where every shelf will go. So each one of those, so from that 2 inches down to here, 15 inches, 15 inches, 15 inches, 15 inches, and so on. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves in total. This is 48 inches across, so each shelf is going to be 48. I'm thinking maybe 6 inches deep. My sister's boyfriend, who's been helping us a lot with this room renovation, mentioned that I might want to put a 3rd rope in the center so that the wood doesn't warp after a couple months or so. I don't like the idea of having a 3rd rope. I like the idea of just the 2 hanging down, but we're gonna have to give that some real thought if we want the wood to be stable. So these are the nails we're using. According to him, my sister's boyfriend, if I plug 2 of these, 1 and 2 up there, it should hold at least 100 pounds. And I'm thinking the wood will be, I don't know, at least 40 or 50 pounds. The things I'm putting on top will probably be another 20 to 30. So this should be enough. I'm really only putting decor on there and then like some perfumes and whatnot. Now I'm gonna put the nails up top, and then tomorrow we'll go to Home Depot, get the rope, have them cut the wood, come home, drill the holes, and hopefully get everything done tomorrow. Decided on an affordable option that was already white, so we don't have to paint or stain it. And it's big enough for not only the shelves, but if I want to build a table in the corner between the 2 windows, I can do that as well. So I'm going to have Home Depot cut it right now. Yes, I've spent the past 3 hours looking at wood between Home Depot and Lowe's, and this is what we're going with. So I'm gonna make sure I'm happy with it.
try. Okay.
Thank you so much. Of course. subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you next week.